Hi, in this presentation, I'm going to show you how I made $648.59 in profits under a 30 days period trading cryptocurrencies with a special robot. And you're going to learn how you too can earn between 40 to 50% of your trading capital every single month. This presentation is prepared by Joe Okoro, a digital marketing coach. Now, who is Joe Okoro? Well, my name is Joe Okoro. I am a long-time information marketer and a digital marketing coach. In fact, many people call me the Guru's Guru here in Nigeria. I've been on the digital marketing space for over 13 years and I've created lots of coaching courses and have trained thousands of students. Among them are some of the top names you know as internet marketers in Nigeria. I've explored and created many digital products in some of the major known lucrative niches that you are familiar with. Niches like the health and fitness, relationships, real estate, e-commerce, web design, blogging, and of course, all of them are powered by digital marketing. In fact, if you want to learn more about me, simply go online to joeokoro.com to register for my online newsletters. Now, I'm going to tell you briefly about my journey into the crypto niche. I've been interested in breaking into the crypto niche for a very long time. However, in 2019, I made a final decision to break into that market. But because of the pandemic and other things happening during that period of time, I could not break into that market. Eventually, I had the opportunity to do a joint venture with a very old friend of mine to promote a crypto coaching program. This JV, as we call it in internet marketing, eventually helped me to decide to finally go into this market to make money. Now, in the very short time that I have ventured into this crypto market, I have made some good money in the market. But before we go on to discuss the trading aspect of crypto, which is why you are watching this presentation in the first place, I'm going to briefly discuss the money I have made in this industry in two ways. There are actually three of them, but I'm going to focus on just two areas that I have made money. The first one is what I call the phase one, selling information product. You see, I am an information marketer, and that is why I had the opportunity to sell information product in this market. I already know that the crypto market is a profitable one, but my conviction was confirmed by the personal result I got when I promoted that coaching program for my old friend. In 60 days of promoting that program, I generated almost 3 million naira selling that coaching program on this market. In fact, I'm going to show you the income proof of the earnings I made in the course of that 30 days and 60 days, respectively. And these earnings exclude bank deposits that were made directly into my account. So we're going to explore the paystack payment that came into my account for that first 30 days. As you can see on your screen, I have an income screenshot from July 19th to August 19th of 2021. You can see it circled in red. The total income generated in that 30-day period promoting this singular program amounts to 1,340,000 naira only. And then, as we continued to the 60 days period of promoting it, the income increased to 1,950,000 naira only. As you can see, the date there is 19th July to 19th September. That is a period of 60 days. So, for those who may be doubting this screenshot, let me quickly go into my Paystack account to pull this same income that we are seeing there. Now, I'm going to the custom period. What you can see before you is my Paystack dashboard. So I'm going to pick July 19 to August 19, that should give us 30 days of revenue. August 19, and click on apply. So you can see that this is 1,340,000 as I showed you in the earlier screenshot. Now let's move on to September 19 and click on apply. You can see that this is 1,950,000. So what that shows is that the income proof you see here corresponds with the one I put live online. And that makes this income proof a valid one. There is no use to discredit this any longer. And it shows that this money is real. It also shows that this niche, this market, is a very profitable one indeed. Now, at the end of that 60 days, the money we made was from a 108 customers. We made 108 sales. So what you see at your left hand side is the picture captured by my uh, autoresponder, my email management software. As you can see from that picture on your left hand side, you see that we recorded a total of 108 sales, which is 108 students. These 108 are actually number of students we captured using selling this program to them. At the right hand side is also the same people, the emails that were sent to my inbox, to my Gmail account. You can also see that the label says crypto students, and you see that we did 108 sales as well. So this shows that these two numbers tally. And if you look at this total number of sales, you see that this is what generated the maximum amount of money that we made. And this includes both bank payments and paystack payments. Now, this is a picture of the course that brought in the 3 million naira in 60 days. At your left hand side, you are seeing the video sales page of that course. And at your right hand side, you see that the order price of that videos of that coaching program is 30,000 naira. So, if you now look at the total amount of money we made, because we started selling it at the a price of 25,000, and then later we sold it at 30k. The first 3 weeks of promotion we sold at 25, and then the remaining 5 weeks of promotion we sold at 30k. At the end of the day, the number of people who paid 30k was almost the same as the number of people who did 25k. So the average number of these two amounts, 25,000 and 30,000, comes down to 27,500 naira. And if you multiply 27,500 naira, you see that we got a total of 2,970,000 naira only. It is just 30,000 naira shy of 3 million naira. So you can see that this is a very huge amount of money considering the number of people we promoted this program to, and considering the response rate. It shows that the crypto market is a very hot market. It is a future. If you have not ventured into the crypto market, you are missing out in this dream of time. And of course, the sales generated has proven that this market is a market that one should pay attention to, because currently this market is the hottest and one of the most lucrative niche markets in the make money online industry in 2021 and beyond. It also means that any information product that you sell in this market will be a hot product. People will rush to buy it because almost everyone who knows about crypto is searching for the right training to penetrate and also make money, cash out from the money that is being made in that market. And if you properly position yourself well as the right source of information, you are going to make a lot of money in the process. So let's look at the second area that I made money from. I call it phase two, trading different crypto coins. Remember, the first phase was selling information products in this niche. Now, the second phase is inside the market, trading different coins inside the market. Now, After making some money from the JV partnership selling information on crypto, I also made money inside the market trading different utility coins with a special robot. I invested a capital of 450,000 when I got started. And then over the course of 2 weeks, I have already mastered the process on how to set it up and how to understand the whole working of the system. And I have started making money. Under 30 days of trading different coins, I was able to do 47.56 return on investment on my capital, and that amounts to $213.59. So at the end of the 30-day period, I was able to realize a total of $213.59 plus my capital of 450, and that brings the total money on my Binance account to $663.59. That shows that this is indeed a very profitable business to do. After realizing that I can earn money referring people to use the same robot that I used to make money, I went into action. I created a WhatsApp group and I promised to show them how to trade like me when they sign up on the robot. As I did that, I noticed that about 114 people signed up on the robot and 12 people activated their robots, and I earned $30 each time each of these persons activated their robot. Now, what you see on your screen is the income I made trading with the robot and the income I made talking to people about the robot. Take note that this program using this robot to trade is not a network marketing business. It is not at all. It's all about talking to people about what works for you, and if they're interested to make the type of money you are making, they just come on board. You just send them the link to sign up, and they sign up. And take note that it is not compulsory for you to do any form of marketing if you don't want. But if you have the strength, I don't see anything wrong with earning money from your capital and making money from referrals or being compensated for telling others about what you are doing. So you can see that trading the crypto itself under a period of 30 days, as I said earlier, I did $213.59. And then telling people about it, I did another $435 in 30 days, marketing the robot. As you can see, the income screenshot at the at the left hand side, you see that the record of that profit is here on the robot itself. And at the right hand side, you also see the cumulative invitation registration bonus I have earned, 435 bonus USDT. Now, USDT is an equivalent of US dollar. Okay, so if you are seeing 435 USDT, it means $435. USDT is a stable coin. It's tied to the United States dollar. So when you see USDT, it simply means the value is the same thing as the US dollar. Right. So these are the money I earned. So let's closely look at the total amount I made under this 30-day period. I was able to do $213.59 plus $435. When you add these two amounts, it is $648.59. So when you convert this to Naira at the exchange rate at the time this video is being recorded, 575 Naira to the dollar, the total amount I did under that 30 days period is an extra 372 Naira, 939 Naira, 25 kobo. So you can see that this $648.59 is almost 150% of my initial trading capital. And take note that this total amount is different from my trading capital. When you add it to my trading capital of 450, you see that I already have over $1,000, 1,100, or almost $1,100 sitting on my Binance account. Okay, and this amount I can withdraw it anytime I like. So nothing is affecting your trading capital. The good thing is that your trading capital will be there and it will be returning 40 to 50% of your revenue, of your capital every month. You can make it multiple times over without being afraid of liquidation from any company or anything like that. Your money is on the trading exchange where you are trading and can be withdrawn anytime, at any moment. Nobody is granting request for withdrawal. You are the one who is responsible for it. So what this means is that the more money you have to trade, the more return on investment you are going to make. Right. So now let's look at possible profit potentials for different capitals used in trading. Now we are looking at 40 to 50%, which is what the robot will use returns on a monthly basis. So let's assume you are starting with $100. That means you should expect a profit of $40 to $50 at the end of 1 month. If you're starting with $500, expect a monthly profit of $200 to $250 at the end of the month. If you're starting with $1,000, expect a monthly profit of $400 to $500. If you're starting with $2,000, expect a monthly profit of $800 to $1,000. If you're starting with $3,000, expect a monthly profit of $1,200 to $1,500. If you are starting with $4,000, expect a monthly profit of $1,600 to $2,000. And if you're starting with $5,000, expect a profit of $2,000 to $2,500. And if you are doing a large amount of money, like 10,000 US dollars, expect a monthly profit of $4,000 to $5,000. So as you can see, the more money you have to trade, the more you will get in return at the end of the month. So if you want to get started, all you need to do is you need to set a monthly income goal from trading. So let's say you want to start trading online and you want to earn at least $400 to $500 every month. This amounts to about 200,000 to 280,000 naira every month. Let's say that is the target you have. Okay, and right now you only have $100 to start. So for you to earn $400 to $500 in profit every month, it means you need at least a capital of $1,000 to start. So if you have just $100 to start, what you need to do is simply build a team of other robot traders who will sign up with your referral link so that you can make up the balance of $900 that is required to get you into profit so that you start doing $400 to $500 profit every single month. Why do we say you? How do you get this $900? Well, since the activation per person on the robot is $30, it simply means that you need another 30 persons to activate on the bot before you can reach your income goal. And that will mean that once these 30 people activate, you get your $900 in bonuses. And so what that means is that you need to work at marketing the bot so that you can get this money and eventually start earning the income you want. But before that time, you can get started with $100 and start earning to experience the process and see how interesting it can be. And if you're worried that you don't know how to get 30 people to activate, I'm going to show you inside this course when you purchase it how to get access to a quick way that you can automate a WhatsApp marketing process that will help you to get at least one activated member per day for 30 days. This should give you the $900 that you need to make up your trading capital to 1,000 so that you start earning at least $400 to $500 every single month. Now, while you are growing your income using this robot, it is important that you build a network. Okay, of course, when you register people, you have started the process. If you register 30 people to make up your money to $1,000, you've already started the network building process. You have started building a network because when you build a network, you see that as you are trading and making money, the people under you are also trading and making money. So let's assume that you are able to get a total of 100 members who activate their robot. At the end of the day, you have made a one-time amount of 3,000 US dollars. And of course, this could also result to another 500 to $1,000 every month, as long as these people under you are still trading the market. As you can see, from all this analysis, you can see that crypto trading is a very profitable venture. It is extremely lucrative, and it is a very consistent way of making money on the side, month in, month out. The interesting thing is you can be doing it on your phone while you go about your normal business and activities, while you go do your normal regular job. It doesn't affect any other thing you are doing except your phone. You have to pay attention to it once in a while. Is the perfect side hustle. Now, remember that I told you that I presented this opportunity to a WhatsApp group of people that I'm coaching on crypto related issue, and that a very large portion of them wanted to start trading crypto. Some of these people that started trading crypto, about 12 of them, were able to start making money almost immediately. In fact, a week and two after they started recording profits every month. That is going to be the same with you once you come on board. So my goal is to convert between 10 to 15 of these people every month to activate and start. And that should give me an extra $300 to $450 in passive income, in bonuses from the robot every single month. And this money is not from the trading capital that I'm using, is not the return on investment on the capital that I'm using. Others that have already registered a robot, as time goes on, will come forward once they have the minimum amount to start trading in our team. Now, this is the income proof of some of those students who are already getting results in our team. And this income proof is from the bill of the robot. As you can see, you see a total profit of $52, a total profit of $11,000, a total profit of $292, a total profit of $343, and so forth and so on. You see that there is money in this niche market. It is a niche market. Anyone who is interested to make a side income should pay attention to. Now, the question is, what is responsible in helping my students and people in our group to make this mouth watering income trading different utility coins? Well, in our group, we have been doing mentorship, and we have compiled a step by step process on how to start and profit widely trading different utility coins from the market using different signals. This training that you have before you has been compiled. All the training that we have been giving to our members have been compiled in video format, and it has been packaged as a training product that can help anyone to perform well in this same market and start getting the same results that these people in our team or in our group are getting. Before now, the secret of trading cryptocurrencies at almost 100% profit guarantee has been shielded by experts. But we have unveiled this secret in my new crypto trading program called the Invisible Crypto Paymaster, or ICPM for short. This is a video training created by my humble self, Joe Okoro. Now, what does the ICPM training contain? Well, the ICPM training is an intensive course on how to use this robot to trade and make the maximum amount of money from it. It contains a total of 3 modules with 20 videos on crypto trading and how you can make the maximum amount from it. In module 1, you see that it focuses on how to trade profitable utility coins with the robot and earn 40 to 50% of your trading capital monthly. Module 2 focuses on how to build a team of 100 people in 30 days using WhatsApp marketing and getting paid $3,000 in bonuses. And Module 3 focuses on how to raise 500K in profit in 60 days or less using a powerful done-for-you marketing system. As you can see, each of these modules has an attached value of money resided. Module 1 has a value of 15,000, Module 2 has a value of 25,000, and finally Module 3 has a value of 60,000 naira. Now let's look at the breakdown of this module. The first module, which is on how to trade profitable utility coins. The first video contains an introduction to the robot called Bitcoin Pro. And the second one is how to sign up on Bitcoin Pro. The third one is how to sign up for Binance for trading with robot. 4. Verifying your Binance account to intermediate verification. 5. How to fund your Binance account. 6. Binding your Binance account with Bitcoin Pro. 7. Understanding the basic settings of Bitcoin Pro for trading. And 8. The unique way to set up Bitcoin Pro for maximum profit. 9. Managing your expectations about Bitcoin trading. And 10. Getting started with crypto trading. That is on module 1. Then module 2 focuses on how to build a team of 100 people. The first training is on the concept of team building and Bitcoin Pro. And the second training is compensation plan of Bitcoin Pro explained. And then the third one is how to quickly build a 100-member team with effective WhatsApp marketing. And the fourth one is how to convert team members to start trading while earning $30 per activation. You could do 3,000 when all the 100 member activate. And then the fifth one is talking about the bigger picture, your monthly side income potential with a 100-member trading team. Now let's look at module 3, which is on how to raise 500k profit in 60 days. The first training focuses on using the crypto clickbait to whet people's appetite. And the second one is talking about exploiting your WhatsApp contacts for marketing. The third one is how to get people to pay you 10,000 naira to learn crypto trading. And then the fourth one is using your social media connection to build a marketing group. And 5, the perfect sales funnel for hitting 50 sales in a month. Marketing the done for you crypto coaching program. So you can say that this is a lot. It's a lot. It covers everything you need as far as this spot trading with robot is concerned. This is a loaded package. Now, the next question that will be on your mind is, what will it cost me to get these videos? What is the cost of the ICPM videos? Well, many of the crypto training videos out there sell at premium prices. For example, the last training that made me 3 million in 60 days that I showed you earlier is still selling for 30,000 naira up to this moment that this video is being recorded. In fact, many similar programs like this sells for 50k and above, because the number one factor responsible for the success of anyone who makes it in this market is proper training and mentorship. And training in this market can reward you with millions of naira or even dollars at the end of the day, because this market is a highly lucrative market. And that means without the proper mentorship, you will not have the knowledge to succeed in this market. You are bound to fail. And that is why we have provided this video training to aid anyone who is interested to trade using this robot to make money the same way our members are doing their own. Now, the total value of this ICPM program is 100,000 naira. Remember that each of the module has a value attached to it. So if you look at the value of module 1, value of module 2, and value of module 3, it comes down to module 1 is 15,000 value, module 2 is 25,000 value, and module 3 is 60,000 naira value. When you add all of this, the total value is 100,000. That is what this course can be sold for. And at this amount, it is not too much, because you are going to make far more than this amount. In fact, a lot of our students have made beyond this amount already. But this is knowledge. With knowledge, you will have enough information to become rich. Remember, they used to say, knowledge is wealth. If you have knowledge, you can change your life. So what is the cost of these ICPM videos? Well, calculating from the total value of this program, which is about 100,000, I'm going to give you a 90% discount on the ICPM program to make it easy for you. That means a 90,000 naira off the actual value of the training. Therefore, the price you are going to pay for the ICPM video training is a token of a 10,000 naira only. However, take note that this price is available for a very limited time. So for a very limited time, pay 10,000 naira for the invisible crypto pay master video training, the ICPM program. Make sure that you do this as soon as possible, because any moment from now, this offer will be off. This offer is available for a very limited time. It is a limited time discount that you have. Now that you have the opportunity, go for it. To pay for this course, click on the link below this video. Tap on the link, you will see the payment details there. Go there and make your payment. As soon as your payment is done, you'll be ushered to the content of this training. You can now start using it, and possibly, if you're satisfied with the training, you can now come on board and start trading crypto like every one of us are doing, and start making money the way we're making money. Take note that when you are trading crypto, you can never lose money in the type of trading we do. It is called spot trading. You can never lose money. It is not like forex trading where you can lose any amount of money that you use. But in this type of trading, the robot we have ensures that you can never lose any amount of money as long as you are patient enough to wait for the coins to increase in value and take a profit. And that is the interesting thing about this market. So if you're interested, this course, the Invisible Crypto Pay Master Video Training, is a very cheap course. It is valued at 100,000, but for a limited time, you're only going to pay just 10% of that amount, which is amount to 10,000 naira only. So if you're interested to come on board immediately and start making good money in no time, use the link below this video and order your copy of these training videos. Watch it, and then you may now decide to come on board to start trading crypto and start making a side income that may eventually replace your salary job. Thank you for watching this presentation, and I hope to see you on the other side.